I am Nisha Thakur. Today I am telling you rational exponent, this type of expression, how can we solve. So yesterday I uploaded a video there, just whole power, whole exponent, but today rational exponents like 3 upon 4, 1 upon 3 in rational form. Same rule here we apply, laws of exponents. Okay, so here first parenthesis to the power 3, it means each member to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, x to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3 upon y to the power 1/3 and then power 3. So here 3 members 2, this x to the power 3 upon 4 and y to the power 1/3. So each has third power, 3 power. Okay. Now here y to the power 4 and x to the power negative 1 upon 2. So, or we can do here this negative power convert into positive power, so it goes up. I think we can do in next step. So 2 to the power 3, which is 8, x to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 3. So here power to the power, it means multiply. 3 upon 4 multiply 3, which is 9 upon 4. Here y to the power 1/3 to the power 3, power to the power, it means multiply. So 1 upon 3 to the power 3, 1 upon 3 multiply 3, 3 cancel, so just here y to the power 1, or we can write y, same thing. Y to the power 4, here this is negative, goes up, so it will make positive. Now here this one and this one, so here same base, so power, we can add power. So 8 x to the power 9 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2, and here y, this thing, y to the power 4 upon y, so here 4 minus 1, because here quotient rule, here product rule. Okay, now 8 x to the power 9 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2, so we can solve here. So here in this fraction, here not same denominator, so whenever we add or subtract fraction, we have to make same denominator. So here we have to multiply 2. So this is 9 upon, oh, 1 second, 9 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4, which is 11 upon 4. Okay, because here now same denominator, so we can add numerator. Okay, now here this is 11 upon 4 and y to the power 3. This is the answer. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Bye, have a nice time.